01, Mr. Joshi has complained that towel has not been placed in the rooms. Have you placed the towel?
I have placed towel, sir.
Have you checked the room?
Yes, sir.
Show me your checklist. This is the way you are keeping your checklist.
I have placed towel, sir.
I am not talking about the place. This is the way you are keeping your checklist. See, you have not filled your checklist properly. Rakesh, this is not a way. Come to my cabin. आप सभी को मालूम है अब एचओडी अपने कैबिन में बुला के उस सुपरवाइजर की कैसे क्लास लेगा, क्योंकि देखो कैश ने कंप्लेन किया है कि उसके रूम पे टावर्स नहीं है और सुपरवाइजर की चेकलिस्ट भी प्रॉपर वे में फिल नहीं है। इससे एग्जीक्यूटिव हाउसकीपर के माइंड में एक ही मैसेज आएगा कि हाँ गेस्ट सही बोल रहा है। इट कुड बी हैपन विद मी, इट कुड बी हैपन विद यू और विद एनीवन एल्स। सो ऑलवेज बी ऑन सेफर साइड एंड fill your checklist on daily basis, and also remember to record each and every details on your checklist. See, it's just not a piece of paper, it's the report card of your performance. One more thing, please do not like this video until and unless it's not beneficial for you. I have also seen that lots of supervisors, even executives, are holding their checklist in this way. And then they will inspect the guest room, and at the end of shift they will fill checklist either in vacant room or in back area. My dear friends, this is a wrong practice. In case in future any emergency falls, then your executive housekeeper or general manager calling you and they ask you checklist of that day, and that time if you are showing this checklist to your supervisors or your executive housekeepers or to your general manager, then you will be in big problems. They will think that XYZ supervisor is not performing well. He is not maintaining record. See, documentation is very important. And in today's videos, I am going to tell you how to fill supervisor checklist. I have made one checklist as per the point which you supposed to add in your checklist. If you don't know how to make checklist, then this sample will help you to make supervisor checklist as per your requirement. So now I am taking you towards my laptop screen so that you can understand easily and all the points can be captured by your mind. So keep watching and keep supporting.
Friends, now I am taking you towards my laptop screen to make you clear understand how to fill housekeeping supervisor checklist. This checklist can be filled by housekeeping supervisor or above level. I named this zero error guest room guide. See, I am working with resort operation, so I make this checklist as per my requirement, and I have mentioned each and every point which I supposed to mention in my supervisor checklist. You can make it as per your requirement. Here you can write date inspected by the person name who is checking the rooms. Here you can write in time and out time, cottage or room number. We can start from entrance door. Door handles are working properly. If the door handles are working properly, you can tick it here. If it is not working properly, then you can mark it cross, and later on you can inform to your maintenance team. Room names are proper and in place. No smudges, scratches on door. No fingerprints on glass doors. Do not disturb card is available in table drawer. See, in most of the hotels, we do have a electronic D&D indicator, but in resort properties, we do have manual D&D card. So that's why I have mentioned this point in my checklist. Door key is working properly, not difficult or loose. Outside switches are proper, clean and working. Doorbell is clean and working. Now I came to Windows part. This is checklist I have made as per the layout of my resort. So you can make it as per your requirement or layout of your hotels. Windows are closed and all hooks in place. Windows can open and close smoothly. Check inside and outside for any dirt, damage, etc. Glass do not have fingerprints, stains and scratches. Now I came to bedroom. Clean, no wrinkles, straight and uniformly even. Means जो आपकी बेडशीट है उसमें कोई रिंकल्स तो नहीं है, वो साफ है, उसमें कोई डार्क तो नहीं है, या फिर वो आयरन प्रॉपर की गई है या नहीं की गई है. नो स्टेन्स, नो टोन. Beds and headboards are aligned properly. No hair particles on the bed or the linen. Two big pillows and two small pillows available. Check under the bed for trash or gas items. All the cushions are in place, not stained or torn. The runner on the bed is not torn, no stains. Now I came to furniture and fixture. Dust and clean chairs and sofas. No stains, not torn. Check all the furniture is in its right place. See, alignment of furniture is very important. So you have to check each and everything, and this checklist can help you to know in details about your rooms. Carpet, Carpets, coffee tables are clean and no waste. Gaps behind tables are checked for items. Waste bins are free of waste, smell, clean and working. Dust or paintings and fixture or motifs. Telephone is clean, no not sticky, no smell. Directory is clean. Mosquito repellent is working, not empty. See now, as you know that we are landing in summer season, so there are lots of chances that mosquito can come in. To avoid this complaint, we have to place mosquito repellent on advanced basis in all the rooms. Now I came to TV cabinet. Clean television and ensure is working properly. Check remote standing at a headboard of bed. Luckily kettle is working, no smell, not and working. Tea and coffee kit is replenished by as per standard by the housekeeping associate. Wine glass and goblets available. Glasses are clean, no stains or fingerprints. All plugs are working, no loose plug. Lamp shades should be straight, seams facing the wall. Writing lamps are dusted, clean and working. All lights are working, no bulb fuse. Air conditioner is working, set it to for standard temperature. AC remote is working from the bed headboard. See, you have to check all the remote from guest point of view. Now I came to wardrobe. Wardrobe to have two coat hanger, two clip hanger, one satin hanger, two laundry bags, two laundry slips or forms. All the areas of the wardrobe are clean, check corners. Two pairs of clean sandals or slippers are available. Pair of bathrobe are in place as per the standard. Open and close the safe box. Check if clean and working. Now I came to minibar. All minibar supplies in place. Canes checked, all unused and sealed. Clean television and ensure it's working properly. Check expiry dates of all items. Minibar is clean, dry and no smell. Minibar basket is clean, not torn, no stains. See, this checklist will help you to check each and every point. I know it's a very lengthy checklist and none of the supervisors are implementing such kind of checklist. But I assure you, if you checking your rooms in this matter, you should never face any complaints. This checklist can save you. Now I came to bathrooms. Check toilet seat, tank, lead, bowl, base, pipes, etc. No hair, dirt, dust, soap stains in the toilet areas. No bad smell. Flush toilet to check leak or functioning or not. No cheap crack scratches. The taps, shower head, hand pipe, all are fixed, not loose. Two toilet rolls are properly rolled and wrapped. Cubicle glass is free of stains, open and closed properly. Metal chrome fixtures are clean and shining. Two face towels, two hand towels are folded and in place. Two bath towels are in place. Loose threads are trimmed. Linen are free of hair, smell, stains, clean and not torn. Used toiletries removed. New amenities properly stocked. Cloth hook are in place, no stains, not loose. Mirrors are clean, no stains, no marks or any no prints over there. Waste bins in the toilet are clean, no waste and working. Check the switches and plugs. All lights are working. Now I came to general point which I have to mention, like check 10 cards, browsers, no writing, no stains, clean. Check pens, pencil, proper and working, not sticky. Check wall, ceiling, cobwebs, that cockroaches, insect. Check mosquito net, proper zip, not torn, no stains, clean. After this, I have not mentioned polishing, painting part in the checklist because this is the general requirement which every rooms need once the guest checked out. So here you can do side remarks. If you want to mention anything, you can mention it here. Also, if you have point with regard to maintenance, you can mention all the points over here. My dear friends, I hope this checklist help you a lot, and I hope you understand how to fill housekeeping supervisor checklist. If you have any doubt, you can ask me over comment box. I will be more than happy to help you.
My dear friends, if you like what I am saying, then please hit like button and share this video to your all housekeeping supervisors or your all housekeeping teammates. Take care दोस्तों, bye bye.